Palakpakan naman po natin yung third round. Okay.
May we call on Mr. Manlangit to receive the award for third runner-up in behalf of Batangas Blaze.
May ngatlo pa. Grand Slam. Grand Slam. Tatlo.
Picture please.
Picture.
Wala nang photographer. Tatlo par.
I'm sure naman siguro may pang Facebook din ako dyan, ha?
100 days.
Okay, our
Nanya, boss.
Lotris.
Our first donor worth of 401, courtesy of Kuya Roland and Ate King. And the trophy donor by Sapanita Mark. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up is Kabayan Cargo.
Congratulations, Kabayan!
May we call on the Rickiness EPS in ANSA, Mr. Neil Beltran Bayaborda, to award the second runner-up.
Congratulations, congratulations! Three times.
Wow, ang galing ka!
Congratulations!
One for all for one. Galing.
One by one.
Congratulations!
Tatlo.
Paano yun? Kukuha ka na sa motor?
Thank you.
Madam, ano masasabi mo sa Grand Slam?
Okay.
Ding! Madam! Dalawa lang? Kala ko tatlo.
Ayaw nga pala tatlo.
Okay, now, our 2011 Awesome Philippine Community Basketball Tournament Championship first runner-up goes to Pangasinan Hawks. Congratulations! Okay. Okay, they will receive the top donor from Galilea to be awarded by Emil Ferrer, and they will also receive a trophy by April, will be awarded by Angel
Champion, Grand Slam, pwede na, uwi na, wala na.
Angel Serrano.
Retired. We did it, my friend. Thanks for
Once again, congratulations.
Retired.
Sana ang outing,
Sign
coach.
naman po kayo.
Coming soon pa.
May kamay po tayo.
Eh, naman kita lang kami, kita na libre ka rin siya. Tuksong. Tuksong yun.
Lahat tayo. Yari kayo, ma. Mapapicture tayo lahat.
Ano pa? Kanyat ko sa akin.
Lahat lang.
Kunya ka ako kanina.
Grand Slam! Alam niya yung amoy ng kamay ko.
Balik mo na para matekakin.
Kaya nga para doon ko tayo.
Matapos lang kami iba kung na ano eh. Oo, medyo ano siya. That's speechless. Hindi, nakakita. Sabihin ko nga kung medyo. Tama na yan!
Abas ko. Tatlo. Grand Slam.
Once again, congratulations.
Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, 2009 champion, 2010 champion, and 2011
Grand
champion.
Slam.
The Grand Slam Pampanga Brothers. Donor is Anna City Hall to be awarded by Yomi, and the trophy is donated by the Metro to be awarded by Father June, and the medals donated by the Galilea and Yomi to be awarded by the AFC Committee. So ladies and gentlemen, may we caller, the champion 2011, Pampanga Brothers.
Congratulations to all standing ovations ng Pampanga.
Boss, sabi mo?
Good! Congrats! Manga!
Grand Slam!
Kapagod.
Nag-video ko pa kwa.
Ibigyan pa namin kayo ng medal.
Atlo!
Okay. Go. Go. Basahin mo na lang dyan.
Okay, Janela, Cruz, Damasco, Mayari,
Viday,
Bautista,
Di Guzman,
Manolagnan,
Manansala,
Malonzo, Luna, Valderrama,
Morales,
Pinti,
Congrats!
Pablo. This is Ryan of Graduate of Pentecost.
Okay, habang nandito pa yung mga tao. Okay.
Kasi may official.
Boss, Grand Slam!
Pero yung po mga AFC volunteer, mangyari po lang, tayo ay mag-liquid na. Salamat po, demolition na. Demolition. Grabe.
Wala sa harapan para maganda.
Hana ka na yung camera!